Hello guys, my name is Rahil Khan and welcome to my Cash In on Bonuses review. Now here we inside the members area of Cash In on Bonuses and I will give you a full demo of these inside of this video, so stay tuned. Basically in a nutshell, Cash In on Bonuses is help us to learn how we can create bonus pages by ourselves. This is a step-by-step process which will help to understand it easily, and also you will get a lot of ready-made bonus pages. Which will help to understand it easily, and also you will get a lot of ready-made bonus pages. You just need to download those bonus pages and customize according to your product. The bonus pages helps a lot to increase the sales. Let us understand with this image. Here you can see the two shops, Shop A and Shop B. Shop A owner giving you the only iPhone. But the Shop B owner tells you that if you buy the iPhone 12 from me, then I will give you extra bonuses, which will be the Apple Bluetooth iPod and iPhone 2000 mAh power bank. So, from whom you will prefer to buy? Absolutely from Shop B. Because he is giving you some extra value. The same happens in the online market also. Here I had given you an example of the offline store. But in the online store you can showcase your bonuses with the help of these bonus pages. So if you sound like something you are interested in, then stick with me in this review, because I'm going to give you more detail. I also put together some custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is listed down below in the description box. When you click on that link, then it will bring you to my custom bonus page, which look like these. Now Cash In on Bonuses will be live on the 25th of July at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So you can click on any of these dark blue buttons and you will be redirected to the sales page. So what exactly the custom bonus you will get from my side? My bonus number 1 is 7-figure mastery. With this product you come to know that how you can become a successful internet marketer and earn more money from online marketing. My bonus number 2 is 10K blueprint. Here you come to know a step-by-step process of guide that how you can generate a $10K per month. This is a provable blueprint that you can follow. My bonus number 3 is ready to use squeeze pages. Basically the squeeze pages helps you to collect emails from your target audience. So if you are in online marketing, that it will be very helpful for you, as you will get ready-made squeeze pages. Now my bonus number 4 is how to make money with affiliate marketing. Here you will learn the step-by-step process to start an affiliate marketer and you earn money from that. And also, if you want to promote all my custom bonuses to your customer with your products, then I will give you full rights to promote this product as your bonus too. So all of the bonuses of vendors, including my custom bonuses, I just talk about now, all you get completely free of charge. When you click on the Cash In on Bonuses, any of these dark blue buttons are on my bonus pages and you will get access to all of these bonuses only for $12.99. Now let us go and have a look at the sales page. So here you will get step-by-step video training on how to create your bonus delivery pages. And also you will get ready-made done for you bonus pages which you can download and customize according to your product. And you can see here there are lots of ready-to-use bonus pages. So here is the more details and lots of things. I am not going through these. You can check these on your own time by visiting my bonus page by clicking down the button on the description box, which is down below on my video. And click any of these dark blue buttons that bring you to the sales page and you can check what you want and you can see the video too. Right. I am going to jumping into the member area. So have a look, these are the members area where you can see there is a lot of tutorial video. The first video is how to build a bonus delivery page. And in the second video you will get a tutorial of how to build the basic page from scratch. In the third video you will get a tutorial of how to make multiple bonus pages from the basic page. And in the fourth video you will get a tutorial of how to upload your bonus delivery pages to Commission Gorilla. And the best part is these all tutorial is a practice done by Mr. Paul Cook and easily it can be followed by anyone. Now let us go to the front-end bonus page. In front-end bonus page also you can see the tutorial video that how you can use these bonus pages for your product. Here there is a lot of ready-made bonus pages as you can see. If you will go to Fiverr, then you will charge some dollars for every bonus page. But here all these bonus pages and tutorials you will get only for $12.99. Now let us check the OTO1 sales page, which is the upsell of these product. Here is the OTO1 sale page. And in OTO1 you will get lots of bonus images which you can customize according to your brand, and here you will also get access to categorized bonuses which you can use as bonuses for the products you promote. You will get access to the URL of the bonus product as well as the bonus product graphic. You will get full step-by-step training on how to use OT01 and online support also. Now let us go to the member area of OT01. Here also you can see the tutorial video. In every member area you will get the training video, which will help you a lot to access the product. Here you can see the access of bonus page. From here you can download all the bonus images. Here you can see the access of ads training bonuses you can use. If you are in an affiliate marketing niche, then these product is very helpful for you. If you are in a funnel niche, then you can access these product. So here lots of product, according to your niche you can access the product. Let us check the affiliate marketing link. Here you can see there is a lot of product, and according to your niche you can select the product and give away to your customer to provide them the best value. And these all things you will get for only $25.99 only. Now let us check the OT02 sales page, which is second upsell of these product. Here is the OT02 sale page, and in OT02 also you will get lots of bonus type images which you can use to make your promotions and bonus pages. And you will also get access to done for you categorized bonus packages which you can use as bonuses for the products you promote. You will have access to approximate 5 bonuses per bonus page, all in different categories. You just fill in your personal info. This is the done for you solution. You will get full step-by-step training on how to use OT02 and online support also. Now let us go to the member area of OT02. Here also you can see the tutorial video, which will help you a lot to access the product. Here you can see the access of bonus page. From here you can download it. Here you can see there is a lot of products, and according to your niche you can select the product and give away to your customer. And also here lots of ready-made bonus pages are there for different categories. And these all things you will get for $35.99. Is it amazing? So if you are interested in these products, go through the link below in the description box. Here you can see cash in on bonuses from and you will get $12.99, in which you will get lots of bonus images and tutorials, and OT01 you will get for $25.99, and in OT01 you will get lots of bonus images and access to categorized bonuses which you can use as bonuses for the products you promote. OT02 you will get $35.99, and in OT02 you will get lots of bonus type images. You will have access to approximate 5 bonuses per bonus page, all in different categories. You just fill in your personal info. Perfect DFY solution. If you want more information, then you can see the demo video. Also don't forget to check my custom bonuses. These all you will get 100% free of charge. You pick up cash in on bonuses even if you pick up a product of only $12.99. So that basically brings me today end these video. Thank you so much for watching my cash in on bonuses. Thank you so much.